Hello and welcome to the MSTAR training session to define the school facility. A facility is a physical structure of the school which comprises of distinct areas which can be identified uniquely. For example, library, school building, ground, etc. In MSTAR, up to 4 levels of facility structure can be defined. Let us see the steps to define the facility of the school. Click on button MSTAR and select module configuration. The name of the module appears on the main screen, which means that you're now working in the configuration module. After this, click on the button business rules and select the screen facility. As the screen opens, we see 4 sections in the screen: facility, facility number, sub-facility and sub-facility number. Facility is the main facility of the school and under which we will define the subdivisions of the main facility. For each division in the facility number, we can define the sub-facility, and for each sub-facility, the sub-facility description can also be entered. At the first level, we will define the main facility. For this, enter the main facility name such as school building or building. After this, click on button Save. The data saving confirmation message is received. Click OK on the confirmation message. After this, click on the Clear button and then click on the Find button next to the facility. We just defined the building, so click on the building as a facility name and then click on the Add button in the section Facility Number. It asks for the assigning the in charge to the facility, and we can select if required in the field in charge in the facility section. This is an optional field. So let us proceed by either selecting yes or no. Let us click on yes. So we can select the in charge as required and then click on the facility description. Since we have defined the facility as building, here we can define the facility number or description as classrooms. So after entering the facility description, enter the capacity, and the in charge of this facility description can also be selected by clicking on the cell and selecting the employee name. This is an optional field and can be done at a later stage. At this point, if you want to add more facilities, then click on the Add button and enter the details in the new row that gets added. Let us first save at this level. The data saving confirmation message is received. After entering the facility description and saving it, click on the button Clear and again select the main facility by clicking on the button Find, selecting the facility, and the facility description as entered will display. Click on the row of the facility description and now let us enter the sub-facility. So under classrooms, let us enter class 1 as a sub-facility. In this, you can enter maximum 50 characters and both text and numbers can be entered. No special characters can be entered in this field. After this, you can enter the aggregate capacity if required and if available for each class, and select the in charge from the list of employees. Click on button Save and save the sub-facility details entered. Click OK on the confirmation message and again click on the Clear screen. Now select the facility, click on the facility number and click on the Find button in the sub-facility section. The sub-facility as created under the facility appears. Click on the sub-facility and now let us enter the sub-facility number under the sub-facility. The sub-facility number under this sub-facility would be the class sections. Click on button Add and a new row gets added. And in this, enter 1A, where A is a section or any other section as required and applicable. For the class section, enter the capacity. In the sub-facility description, you can enter maximum 50 characters and both text and numbers can be entered. The special characters are also allowed in this field. After entering the capacity, click on button Save. And the sub-facility description also gets saved. Click OK on the confirmation message. Click on the Clear button to clear the screen. And let us again retrieve the details that we just entered. Selecting the facility, clicking on the row of the facility number, clicking on the Find button in the sub-facility and selecting the sub-facility. And as we saved, the sub-facility description is also available. You will notice that as per the capacity entered in the sub-facility, the aggregate capacity of the main facility gets updated. Now let us add another sub-facility as class section 1B. Click on button Add, enter the section name, enter the capacity and click on button Save. To retrieve the same again, clear the screen and repeat the steps as explained. So we have the 4 levels of facility structures created. In case we want to create more classes under the classrooms, then click on the Clear button, select the main facility, select the facility number and enter the new class. Click on buttons Add, enter class 2A, enter the capacity and click on button Save. Click on the Clear button and let us retrieve the new class created. So now we see in the sub-facility we have the new classes also created. The sub-facility ID is created sequentially based on the sub-facilities being defined. Since there were already some sub-facilities defined, it is showing us the sub-facility as 15 and 16. The first sub-facility created will have the ID as 1. So selecting the sub-facility and we can see that the class section is available. Now repeat these steps to create the facilities and the sub-facilities. Click on the Clear button to clear the screen. It is important point to know that to create a library, we have to create the main facility as library and if there are more libraries available or applicable in the school, then under this the main facility we create the junior or senior library. Click on button Save and click on the clear screen. Select the facility that we defined and click on button Add and now make the senior library also. Click on button Save and the data has been saved. So repeat these steps to create the facilities and the sub-facilities in the school. The facilities and the sub-facilities can be updated, but it is recommended that once the facilities are used in scheduler and the class section, then no changes can be done, though new class sections can be added in the facility as required as per the school's process every year. Thank you for watching this video.